welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids@147, and I've got another post painting review for you. I seem to be a bit behind with these, so I'm on a little bit of a catch up, but this one is Abstract Girl. So I did this unboxing a while ago. I got a couple, one for my a 30 by 30 for my daughter, and I got this one in 40 by 40, and that was mainly because I just thought all those colours would just look absolutely fantastic, and they do. Have a look at that. How detailed is that? I am really impressed with the way the sizing turned out on this one. I don't have any plans for it, but I did enjoy doing it. In regards to the company, the canvas was amazing. Canvas was really good quality. Extremely happy with how the canvas turned out. In regards to the drills, the quality of the drills is really, really good. I didn't find I was throwing a lot of drills away. They seem a little bit more cut, so they seem a little bit smoother, should we say. They've not got as many harsh lines to make them around. They're quite a smooth diamond. Whether that stops the light shining off it, possibly, but I do still think the effect is fantastic. The only problem I had with the drills for this is static. Oh, the static on these drills was through the roof. So they did pretty much every single bag, ended up with tumble dryer sheets in to try and combat it. But once that was over and I was working on it, fantastic. And to show you the amount that I have left, because I do have the amount left for this one, look, loads of every single colour. You've got your 310s, and as I say, the quality of the drills is really, really good. So I have buckets of each and every colour left over. There was never a fear that any of them were getting too low, and yeah, absolutely loads of them all left. So really happy with the amount of extras that I got given for this one. Canvas itself was very clear, and I think the picture has turned out fantastic. Let me know what you think. But yeah, 25 colours, loads left. Yes, a problem with static, but because I wasn't wanting to do this one that quick, I got away with, just because it was going into my spares, I got away with just shoving some dryer sheets in and letting it do its thing. But considering they're quite, you think they're quite muted colours. I mean, we do have 817, which is quite a bright red, but we do have quite a lot of, you know, muted pinks and muted, really all the colours are quite muted. There's no vivid. It's a muted orange, you know, burnt orange, burnt red, but look at how much colour there seems to be in there once it's done. So yeah, really, really happy with this one. So I thought I'd let you see what that looks like before I get all my spare diamonds actually put away. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.